I wanted to share with you a couple of the websites they've created for real estate agents here in Southern California. And the first one is melindabonini.com. Melinda is a top producing agent at Cole Banker Exclusive up in the Sherman Oaks, San Fernando Valley area. So we started initially with this beautiful home here, Los Angeles Homes for Sale. A little bit of an introduction, property search. Now, why isn't the property search up here in this section like you would see on a realtor.com? I find that it slows the website down. So by positioning down here, it speeds the website up a little bit more. And then we came up with this headline here, fall in love with beautiful homes for sale, a few bullet points, not everything in bold, just a little bit of bold. And then it quickly goes to local cities in Los Angeles County. And then lifestyle searching. So if someone's looking for Beverly Hills homes with pools, there's an entire page on that, or guest house, or luxury homes, or Sherman Oaks homes with pools. See, the homes with pools, the pool is really a lifestyle choice. So that's what we went with that. And then down here, condos. Each of these here are a separate page on her website. And we can go deeper in and break out all the condo buildings in Beverly Hills, really get into details, because people, when they go to your website, they're not looking for you. They're looking for information. They're looking for listings. So you have to provide good quality, helpful information and listings that they'll be interested in with some nice photos. And then Melinda wanted a photo on it, so we put that down here, kind of a way to endorse the page. And then there's some sharing buttons down below that consumers can share this content all over the web, and then a contact bar. So there's a lot of different sources in what happens here on Melinda's site. There's an About Me page, so when you click on that, we get a little bit more information about Melinda, who I call my celebrity real estate agent up in the LA area, and all of her qualifications. And then there's a little contact form at the bottom. So this contact form here comes right from the IDX system called Showcase IDX, and she's using that product there and really enjoys it. Okay, and then you can add whatever resources you want, unlimited pages to add to your website. Next up is luxury real estate. This is called Live Distinctively. It's a luxury real estate group at Keller Williams Coastal Properties in Long Beach, California, but they cover the coastline from condos to castles is what they like to say. And then they have different jump menus in here. Right here is Ocean View Estates. So when you click on that, it goes to all the properties that have Ocean View Estates. Any historical homes, when you click on this link here, it goes to that. Coastal communities, this was a new construction build that they're into. And I'll show you that. They actually have two websites running here at SEO Real Estate Wagon. And these are featured listings down here in the little slider bar. So they were able to put that in themselves, actually. So it's very easy to use. It's all built on WordPress. So the website can look 100 different ways. But since their color is this color here, it also reflects into the buttons. So it stays consistent throughout their website. This is a new home build. They're into new homes, so they have a separate website just for all the new home builds, so they can market that effectively and track all the traffic. And then there's just a simple footer down here, but each of these are separate pages, so they have their unique way of selling their homes that other agents don't. It makes them stand out, or buying a house. So they've broken it out pretty well here. And they do a lot of blogging. The person who runs this team is Grace Paris, does a lot of blogging here. So when you go to her blog posts here, you can see they're all written by Grace here. This is a new listing they have in Culver City. The benefits of using equity to buy a bigger down payment. So Grace comes up with all the ideas, and they write all this content. The more content you have, the better. So she has a blog content, and then she has beach cities like we'll do all coastal properties for sale. We'll click on that. We found this great photo for her here, and then it's all this content written in here that's going to help her rank higher in the search engines along with listings. And so that's what that looks like for Grace's page. They can read her reviews. They can look at other beach cities. There's just lots of things that Grace is doing differently than anybody else. Then this is her new construction luxury living website that she has. And it looks similar to her current website. Same logo, phone number here so people can contact her directly. And now these are all the new home projects that they're working on. They have a builder that builds them and they market them. So they're all right in here. And so if you visit new construction luxury living, you'll be able to see all these pages that they've put together, and they constantly make some updates to this website. So this, again, it's in Microsoft, it's in WordPress. And these are pictures, and then what they do is a home builder. And then this is a map of the construction projects, and that'll help her get more views. Let's see, 2,284 people have already viewed this map. So that's great. That's just an extra lead source for them. This is in My Google Maps, and you can embed these maps all over your website if you want to. And then they have a new project coming up in Oceanside. And so that's what their website looks like. I have a website here for my real estate team called the Red Wagon Team. It's redwagonteam.com. Mine's a little bit different than everybody else. I have lifestyle searches like homes with recording studios, new homes, 55 and older communities. We have an entire build out of that. Homes with boat docks, really popular. We just actually went door knocking for homes with boat docks to find some sellers. Ocean view homes, ocean view condos. I basically have taken the MLS and all the features, just kind of build out the pages over time. Wineries for sale. We do have a big winery client coming in, I think in the month of December. And then we're helping one of the local agents that we know sell 6 cabins in Big Bear Lake. So that was a really good buy there for our future buyer on that. And then down below, the way I've set this website is I kind of make it personal. I love Long Beach real estate. Live here, kick off your shoes, and explore the area today. You can use this little search bar right here. Like I told you, I put it down below so the website loads faster on the screen. That's my main goal. Get it fast, quick, and effective for the consumer. And then this whole section, you have Long Beach homes for sale here. And then we talked about briefly before, lifestyles. So there's quick links, they click on them, and they go to the next page. Same with condos. We have Long Beach condos for sale, Marina Pacifica condos, put some other cities like Newport and Huntington Beach there, not too many of them. And then I find people looking for condos for sale near Cal State Long Beach. Big university here in the city of Long Beach. So we get a lot of searches for that, or search condos by HOA fees, real estate, housing prices. Down below, blog posts, and the way I have it set up draws a little picture of me. I guess I would throw darts at it, I don't know. But a little picture of me when I last published it, which was on the 17th, which was 6 days ago. I guess I needed a couple more blog posts. And this is the 6 cabins for sale up in Big Bear Lake, Newport Beach moorings, 10 best neighborhoods for families in Long Beach, and then just constant contact all the way down the page, and then a picture of me, I guess, for people to throw darts at. But up here, you'll notice, like, let's go to Long Beach condos for sale. So Long Beach condos for sale, what I did was I broke it out to each of these links here are a separate menu. They're for all the 2-bedroom condos in Long Beach. It's a separate page I created. 3-bedroom condos, 1-bedroom studios. I think I'm adding lofts in here soon. Compare condo buildings, giant spreadsheet compares them all. This little search thing will be over here later today. You know, there's always something to change. Got 5 minutes is a questionnaire. It's kind of like a buyer consultation that you do with a buyer, and I just put it into a form so people can fill it out, and then I can help them find a property quicker, or my team and I can. Then down below here, I put a little block here so that people could review this section. Everybody sets it up differently, so there's frequently asked questions, popular trending condo buildings, Let's see, you can compare them, and then down here by price range. So all of these price ranges are all a separate page. It's not, there's no one little hit a button and it creates it. It's just everyone's a separate page. I'll show you how to do that. There's videos on it, so it'll be easy and you won't have to go, well, I need to hire Jay to do all this. No, you can do it. Really, it's that easy. You don't need to be a programmer. If you can operate Microsoft Word, which is a Word doc, I'm positive you can do this. And then I broke it out deeper into Long Beach condos, which HOH fees, to makes it easier for clients. They call in, they love it. It's just like a separate page. So here's HOA fees in Long Beach are $500 to $600 a month. When they click on that, it immediately goes to that page, brings over this table here so they can keep searching around. And then these are all the condos with an HOA monthly fee of $500 to $600. And everybody seems to really like this concept of searching for properties. And then you notice when I clicked on Long Beach condos on the home page, it took me to this where the menus changed. So a lot of agents don't have that. That's just an extra thing. It's an extra plugin in the back end of your website. Let's look at homes here. When they click on homes, let's say they wanted to look at, instead of Long Beach, they wanted to look down the coastline. Let's say Huntington Beach homes. You'll notice the menu will change. So here's a property search. This is a menu, all of Huntington Beach homes, lifestyles. You don't even know that I work Long Beach or Newport Beach or Temecula. These menus change for every city. They change. If it's condos, they all flip to condos. So it'd be Huntington Beach condos. The whole menu changes to condos. I do that so it's easier for the consumer, because the consumer only cares about what's in it for me. They don't care about me, the realtor. They care about them. They're doing research. They're trying to find the best home possible. You might want to go into Brightwater, which is a newer community. I think it was built in, I want to say 2009. But they'll go into Brightwater here, and they want to learn all about Brightwater. And I have quite a bit of information about Brightwater here, along with the average selling price in 2024, which next year will change to 2025. And then there's a special little code here that will show the consumer how many current listings are. And I get that all from my business relationship with Showcase IDX. And I'll tell you more about that if you want to buy a real estate website. And then it's all mapped out here so people can look at the map. And then there's some different ways to display content. You can do it like in this horizontal view where people can actually read about the property, or you can display it in a graph view. Let's see, that would be on the search button here. And then you can set this up where people, a registration screen pops up, or you can have no registration screen. If you want leads, you're going to have to get them to register. And down here, this little box here comes with, if you've got a separate Follow-Up Boss account, which is a contact management system. I have people that'll text me right from this number here. If it wasn't there, they wouldn't text me. They wouldn't call me. Doesn't matter if I have this number up here. This box here is unbelievable. So we'll go in more detail if you want to know more about that. I don't get paid to promote Follow-Up Boss. I just think it's the best contact management system out there. When you go to, here is, I call it SEO realestatewagon.com. I know it's kind of long. It might change to Crazy J Marketing Media, because I have 2 podcasts running on Spotify right now. So I'll give you more detail about that in the future. You can learn about IDX here. You can get pricing for the websites right here. Free stuff. I try to add some different free tools and step-by-step guides to help you create content and dominate online. If you have any questions, simply reach out to Jay Valento at 562-413-7655. I've been building websites for over 21 years, and I've generated millions of people to the website. So Hopefully we can talk to you soon. Take care. Have an awesome day. Bye.